happy morning to you, my dear students. Today, for subject General Knowledge for Standard 5, what's the topic? Lesson 34, Unique Nation. Okay, when I say unique, what does that mean? Unique means something which is different from everybody else, okay, and something which is unlike anything else. सबसे हटके अलग है, okay, and we are going to learn about unique nation. That means the nation which is different from the other nations. In what perspective? That is what we are going to see. We will read the description and we will find out which is that country, which is that nation which is different from the others. So let's watch the video. So do watch the video and look out for the uniqueness of each nation.
Unique nations around the world. This country is likely to disappear under the sea due to global warming and rising sea levels. Maldives.
Okay, so I hope you all can see this. Yes, the country is likely to disappear under the sea. Why? Because of global warming. Because the temperature is rising so much, the ice, the snow are melting, and so the water bodies are rising up. The sea water is rising up. Why? Global warming. And because of global warming, the rising sea levels, this island, Maldives Island, is getting submerged in water. ये कैसे रोक सकते हैं? How can we stop it? We have to stop global warming. And how is that possible? By reducing the use of private vehicles. हम लोग जो vehicles use करते हैं, they give out smoke. Smoke contains carbon dioxide. More carbon dioxide in the air, and we are cutting down trees. More trees are cut down. Trees होता तो trees carbon dioxide को ले लेता. अभी trees, we are cutting down trees, but we are using more and more air conditioners, we are using more and more vehicles, private vehicles, and all this is adding to carbon dioxide. Trees नहीं है carbon dioxide लेने के लिए, लेकिन हम carbon dioxide produce करने वाले things use करते जा रहे हैं. And so, more carbon dioxide, more heat is observed. ज़्यादा sun की heat observe होती है in the atmosphere. And because of that, there is global warming. Pura temperature is high, and the snow, the ice, glaciers, they start melting, and so the sea water is rising. And which island is getting submerged? Which island is disappearing, vanishing, loss हो जा रहा है? That is Maldives. Okay, so this is the uniqueness of this island.
This island nation does not have natural sand, but plenty of corals. So here, roads are made of coral. Guam.
So this island, now usually islands have lot of sand, but this island does not have natural sand. रेत है नहीं ये island में. Okay, रेती जो बोलते हैं ना आप, sand. But what do they have? They have plenty of corals, okay, that white color के शंख जो जमा होते हैं ना sea में से, sea water के साथ. So plenty of corals. So what these people have done? So here even the roads are made of corals. Okay, so they have made use of what is naturally available to them. And which is this nation? Guam. Write the answer, G-U-A-M, Guam.
There isn't any river in this country. People get fresh water from underground reservoirs. Saudi Arabia.
So now here this is a desert, okay. So people don't get, there is no fresh water supply, river, lake, well, ये तो है नहीं यहाँ. Fresh water is not available. So they have to actually dig down borewells, and they have to use the water which is there under the ground. So they are using underground reservoirs. And which is this nation? Saudi Arabia. So write it down. Saudi Arabia. Why they have to use underground reservoirs? Because there isn't any river. Okay?
Yeah. This is the most diverse country in the world in terms of culture, climate, language and religion. India.
So this we all know our nation, and we are proud of our nation because of its varied heritage. They have different, diverse, alag culture hai, climate you find in different places, different climate. Language also spoken by the people, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Sindhi, so many language in our. And religion also, we follow so many different religion. Such a diverse nation, that is the uniqueness of India. Now, let's see the interesting facts.
Interesting fact, Canada has more than half of all the natural lakes in the world.
Okay, so this is one nation where more than half of the world's natural lake is found in this place. Okay, so very beautiful place. Why? Because the natural lake water supply you can see, and because of it, what happens? Greenery is there all around. So a very blessed nation because it has natural supply of water. Lakes are there. Next, real life values.
Real life. Find out what Fiji, Seychelles, Palau and Solomon Islands have in common.
Okay, so this is the assignment for you. You have to Google and find out what is common in all this. Let me give you a clue. They are all islands, and as we learned about Maldives in the first, what was the uniqueness over there? The Maldives islands, they are getting submerged, they are getting disappeared. Why? Because of global warming, and because of that the water level, the sea water is rising और वो island धीरे धीरे डूबते जा रहा है. Even these islands, beautiful islands, Fiji, Seychelles and Palau and Solomon, but what is happening is because of global warming, they are disappearing, they are getting submerged. So you do Google search and find more about this.
Quiz time.
Now quiz time. Ready children with the pencil? Let's mark the answer.
Pick the correct answers. Which among the following countries is badly deforested?
Okay, which is badly deforested over here? Okay, Haiti. So do mark that.
Name the largest country which does not have any farms.
Okay, it is a large country, but it does not have farm. It is all city around. Okay, farm किधर दिखता है जहाँ animals or grass सब वो तो village areas में. And which is that city that does not have? Singapore. Okay, Singapore.
A country which follows a calendar that is 7 to 8 years behind the rest of the world is?
Very unique. They are following calendar which is 7 to 8 years Purana behind the rest of the world, which is that Ethiopia. So now I hope you have also completed the quiz and do learn it. Exams are nearing, so do revision time and again. Happy learning. God bless you all.